In this video, we learn about the one special function in SpaceClaim, and that is about the tweaking of the surface and also how to replace surface with the new surface. So first of all, I will be creating the a body, and on that body, I will be modifying the surface with some other surface. So let's watch this thing. So let's say I have the one rectangle like this, and I use this geometry as my base geometry, and let me again create a one more rectangle here, and this can be any shape. So the important thing is that how to change the shape of your geometry without modifying the your original geometry. So for example, if you are maybe you are getting two files, one file is the original file and second file is with some change. It's maybe some new fuselage shape. So you have to just get the shape and just project on the this existing geometry, and you will get the new shape. That's very simple. So let's say now we go here, and from here I will just pull this geometry. Now let's say I want to reduce some curvature on this surface instead of this straight surface. So let me create a one plane, and that plane will be used to create a surface I require here. So again I will be going into sketch mode, and this is my required plane. Click on the locate, and I'm going to use the spline command, and I will use some random shape here, and this can be any shape. So it doesn't matter. So it only thing matter is that if you want to modify the surface of shape of your geometry, so how this can be done. Okay, so now we will finish this sketching, and now I will create a 3D geometry from this. Now this will be surface geometry basically. So I will just extrude this geometry. So now this is the how the surface will look like. And let's move this geometry slightly towards this part here. So I want that the maximum extent of the geometry should be up to this point. It should not increase in the height. Okay, so this is something like we see in the old times buildings. They have something like these sheets on their ceiling. So let's say now I want to make the shape of this body same as this body. So we have this command. So first of all, I will be selecting the geometry I want to modify, and then use the geometry which you will use to modify the geometry of the existing features. So first this surface, and then this surface, and you can see that we have modified this geometry very easily. And the second thing is that if you want to modify this modified geometry further, so we have the option to modify the surface, and these come from this option here. So we have the face edit command now, face edit menu in fact, and now we have the control points. And if you want to add more control points, you can do it, and you can also add the control curves. So let's say I move these points slightly up and down. So with this move command, I can modify the shape of this geometry like this. I can apply these commands, but sometimes they may work, they may not work. So you have to check. And then let's say I will be modifying this point, let's say, or maybe this one. So this is all about that how you can modify the surface, and also then further modify that modified surface by the tweaking command. So first command was the replace, and second command was the tweak face. So this is about this whole features in SpaceClaim.